So today we are opening the notebook and we are continuing with the elements that we added to our scene. Yes, we start with the door and the window. So here we are grabbing this and we are isolating it, and we are working with that. So I'm taking this line here, no, this, and this. I'm grabbing the whole loop. And detaching that, I'm creating a shape out of it. Creating a shape. And it's here. And I'll do the same thing to the other side. To this one too. And this is the end of the geometry, so we can use the cup, the border selection, and I'm creating a shape again, linear, yes, and I'm freezing that. So now I have to do this. I can grab that and enable it in rendering. Look, enable it in rendering and in viewport. And now it's radial, so we need to go rectangular to the shape we want for that. And the shape should be 10 centimeters wide. 10 centimeters wide, but 1 centimeter with width of 1 centimeter, the depth of it. So maybe I'm gonna go for 5 centimeters here. 5 centimeters. And I'm duplicating it and editing this for a little higher and that a little lower, and this one in the x-axis 1 centimeter, and this one 1 centimeter minus. So this has to be a little smaller so that we can see this step here to the window. And you see that for now our wall is just paper, just a paper. So that means that we have to unfreeze it and make it extruded. So I'm using a shell modifier, but in the inner amount. That's something I don't like. And that happens because we can't we have the bottom part and the top part as well, so we're adding an edit poly and we're grabbing only these on the surrounding walls and we're detaching them. Detach them, edit geometry, yes, detaching them, and now it should be correctly, the shell should be the right way. Not this one, yeah, it seems better now. No, it does the same thing because yeah, it shells things not the way I want. I want this. Detach it, and I want these, just this side. I want only this side. Just detach that. Okay, and same thing for this side. And attach that too. Okay, so for I don't want this anymore. Anyway, I don't care about this because I won't be able to see it. So we can freeze that. So this one, shell it. See that now that this one is parallel to this line because they are all parallel in the first place. And shell that too. Just 10 centimeters. Our wall will be 10 centimeters. We don't mind about this one here, but even if you do, in case you do, we're adding an edit poly and we are attaching this. And since we're here, we go polygon, we delete these inside polygons and we grab this line, just this line here, and move it so that it snaps to this one across the geometry. And we grab this one, and with the vertices selection we select these all. You see they are quite a lot, they are 16. So since they are that many, we need to weld them. And now, yeah, they are less. I think they are less. Just 8 of them. And I don't like what's happening here. One. Something strange is happening here. And we're gonna have to fix it. Just one. Just one. The point is that maybe delete that at the bottom. Yes. I don't know why, but for some reason it affects it. The smooth edges. I'm losing sharp edges. So let's say we are at this point. I'll get these two. And now, let's say this is ready. I'm freezing that. And I'm getting this thing. I'm hiding the ceiling and the bottom. I don't need them for now. I'm getting the window frames and moving them here. But as you can see, these ones are inside our wall part, so we're gonna need to change that with an edit poly, grabbing them all and moving them minus 5 centimeter, minus half centimeter, because the width of our window frame is 1 centimeter and it's in the middle, so see, half is here, and with half centimeter minus half centimeter we reveal the whole thing. And the same thing for the other one, half centimeter here too, and half here. And this is done, and this is done here. So we may need to have a glass, so for that reason we're going to detach this element, create shape, linear shape, and now for it has these selected, so we uncheck them and we just edit this poly to create it, a whole cup of things, and this will be our glass, and we're moving it in the middle. It's in the middle, and this will be our window. Maybe we could add a marble on it. And this marble should be let's say it's 2 centimeters. Let's keep it 2 centimeters. I don't mind. Grab this and bring it around here and around here. And after that, we grab the same elements on top, and we edit the poly and we push them 2 centimeters higher so that they don't overlap with a marble base. And get all of these and add edit polys. We're we're putting a mesh smooth soon. So we're adding loops. Because of the fact that we were in perspective, some things were not able to be used. You cannot see things, but now in isometric view, you can have more things. You can see more things. I personally prefer isometric view. You can see the dimensions of the things easier. And okay, here I think after these loops are done, we have everywhere. Do we have everywhere? Yes. So we close that and just add the mesh smooth, and it does this softing thing. Yeah, it's nice. And we do the same thing for the inside of the window. Just add an edit poly and add loops. I think they are called swift loops. I'm not sure though. This here. I'm using the wireframe so that I can better see things and that they are not in front of me and they are hidden by other things. For let's say here I couldn't see, so I go wireframe and I'm not rotating the viewport a lot when I'm on this viewport mode. I think we're done here too. We're closing that, and again we go mesh smooth. It's cool, and maybe we could do that to the marble too, but okay, let's do it. We don't have something to lose. Just remember to have when you have orthographic elements, to have three axes of using the loops. Make sure you have 3 axes. Here we have 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, and 3. And here they are 3. Okay. So we just mesh smooth it. Mesh smooth. And this is it. But because I'm bored, I'm gonna grab this thing here, this set of things, and I'm duplicating it. Just copy though, we don't need more of that. And we rotate it at 90 degrees angle. So here it should be placed. Not here. Wait. Okay. I want it in the middle, but I guess it's because it's frozen. No, yeah, it was frozen, that's why it couldn't snap. But okay, we can unfreeze. That's why we use isolate mode, because you're missing the whole scene, so you are able to be more free, to work more freely. And anyway, I'm going in front view. This is the correct height, but the bottom is not correct. So I'm grabbing this. I don't need that for now. I'm hiding it and grabbing these. The point is that in the door you will not need the bottom part. So we could actually delete that. And yeah, maybe we could delete these all and add the loops later. I don't know, maybe. And scale that down. Just scroll down to the bottom and move that. It got the average of these, so it still has, you see, there's a small difference. So we just move that again at the bottom. And after that, we're gonna need to grab it. I think I don't need this element here. I'm deleting it. It's just a door. So since we're here, this one too. Since we're here, we need to get these to the right thing, to snap the right place, and then the left place. So we freeze that selection and we go close, grab that. Oh, we are in the mesh smooth. Okay, delete that. And now we are here. Unlock selection. Grab this, lock selection, and go close. Grab it and place it here. Snap it to the wall. And the same thing goes for the left side. So for the left side, we are grabbing the vertices. We lock the selection, go close, grab them, and just snap them to the wall. The point is that no door goes like that with the wall, so the alignment has happened also to the other axis, to the x-axis. So we unlock the selection and grab all these, and just move them towards the edges of the wall in this axis. And it's correct. Unlock that, invert selection, lock that again, and just move it. And yeah, it's in the right place. It's in the right place and we can close it. And now, yeah, maybe we could add this mesh smooth. It's fine. Maybe it's a little tiny. Wait, I can see that from the camera. Always the camera view helps. We can keep it like that for now to have a more united look in our scene. So this has a shell. We could delete that. And now we can add just the door. Edit that and snap it to the edges of the door frame. So yeah, snap that here and the other one here. This is it. And maybe now, so that we can have a little smooth effect, just add the shell modifier about 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters width and add again the loops. Again, I cannot see it. I have to go isolated, isometric mode. I'm going here, just add the loops. Here too. And these two loops on top. I think it's ready for the modifier. Yes. The mesh smooth is fine. The problem is now that every door has a handle, and to add a handle we have to make something. Maybe we're gonna do the same thing we did for the bathroom the other day. So I'm gonna use a cylinder. Just an initial shape because we are changing it. Height segments totally need to be 1. We don't need divisions for now. The radius should be about, I don't know, 5 centimeters. Maybe it's a lot. 10 centimeters is a lot. Maybe 3 centimeters. And the height around 1 centimeter would be nice. And we duplicate that. Yeah, instance. We could use instance. And now we need another element, a copy of that, just a little higher, because we are snapping it. We are opening the snap tool. We are grabbing it from the bottom vertices and we snap it to the other element. But we need it a little smaller, around here. This is 75, that means diameter 1.5 centimeters. And the height should be more. I'm gonna go for 5 centimeters and duplicate that with Control V and just rotate it minus 90 degrees and move that on top. This should be longer. Yeah, 10 centimeters is better. And the radius maybe should be 1 centimeter, just to give more mass to that. So since we're here, we could move that a little to here, but the point is that it should have more length, maybe 12.5. Yeah, that seems more, that seems closer to reality. So I'm grabbing that and putting it here, or maybe even here. Yeah, that's more like it, I think. What do you think? I think it's good. And now, maybe 12, just 12. Yeah, it's better. Now we're doing the mesh smooth thing, adding an edit poly, just closer to the edges, the loops closer to the edges, and selecting these two caps. Let's say they are called caps, and we go inset, just a tiny inset, just to help it with a mesh loop, with a mesh smooth. I think it's fine. You see, it seems better. It doesn't have these chuck lines. I think it's fine. And we do the same thing for the other, but this one won't be visible, so we can do another thing to avoid the the inset modifier, we grab the caps and we delete them in the first place, and we just go mesh smooth, and it does it. Doesn't need the lines to guide them. And since they are instances, this means that they should follow the same rules, so I hope this works. We're gonna go edit poly, and we're adding the loops here and here, and grabbing that and that in setting just a little, and closing it and mesh smoothing. Yeah, okay, it worked. And I'm gonna group them. I like having grouped things because it helps when you have lots of items in your scenes, and we orient that to the place we want, to the door, and it's a little low. I'm gonna go 80 centimeters. It's the working area height, the working area level, and move it a little. I think, yeah, better should be inside of the door. And what do you think? Maybe this this element here is a bit too long. We're opening the group recursively, and now we're just grabbing that and moving it around to the x-axis, around 1 centimeter minus 1 centimeter. Could be good. 1 centimeter. Yes, that seems closer to reality. You see these shadows here? This happens because our inset is away enough from the edges, so we are scaling it. And maybe we're adding another one here. Yeah, made it sharper. Okay, so this seems, we close the group, okay, and this seems fine. We could open the whole scene again and hide it, and hide all, and we go to the camera. Yes, so now I think that we have to wait. I have to check what we have done so far. We've done the door and the window. We're gonna go for the ceiling because this detail is not necessary to go for the hidden ceiling lighting. So we isolate these, and we can grab that, edit this poly, and with Control and Backspace you just delete this, and you go to the previous lines without having remnants, and we delete that too. And you see now I have a cleaner thing here coming. Maybe I could just delete this too. It's not necessary. And because of the fact that I'm bored grabbing these, although you can have that with Control, you grab one element, and with Control you select the next one, and with double click it selects the whole ring around it. But we could do that also by selecting this surface here, and with Control I you invert the selection and select that if it was only this, and Anyway, we have to detach this because it's gonna be a different material later on, so why not do it now? And also maybe we'll use floor generator for the bottom. We'll see. So yeah, this is it, and we're gonna extrude it towards away from the center of the room. And this is not what I want, so I'm using local normals. So this is better, and we are moving it away around maybe 10 centimeters, because maybe 75, maybe 7.5, or even 5, just the half of the width of the wall. And we press enter. So here will be our hidden lighting. It's okay for now. We close it. We close the selection, and we can go for for the items. Actually, we are done for that. With that, are we done with that? I'm not sure. And I don't know if I added the floor generator yet, to be honest. Let's check its floor generator. No, I haven't added it. Anyway, we could. I'm getting that. I'm detaching it. It will be a different material. And I'm deleting these. And since I'm here, I'm gonna go for maybe I should add it. Wait, please. Or maybe save it first. Wait, I don't know where I have it. Just give me. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm gonna go for. Is my software here? No. I have left somewhere my software. Okay, it's here. Unzip it. Copy the DLM file to the plugins folder located in the root folder. What am I using? 2022. Let's hope it will not ask for. Oh shit, there's a weird one. That happens because. Okay. Thanks for that. OMG the noob. And now we are. That's because I'm sleepy. Okay. I'm going to my program files and 3ds Max plugins. Please, I don't want to reopen the file. I'll try to use that from here too. I don't think it will work, but it wouldn't. And from here, because I'm bored, I don't want to close the program and reopen it. I really am bored. I'm just grabbing this, and no, I'm getting these and connect them. Okay, 5 is nice, and connect these two. This is not the correct way, but it gets something. No, 7 would be better. It goes more square. So here I'm grabbing all these and just extruding them. Just extruding them to the bottom, but adding a little of a cavity here. I'm telling you again, this is not the correct answer, because we should use the floor generator, but okay, I'm a little bored today, forgive me for that. And let's keep it like this. Okay, and close it. So the surroundings are ready. We unhide all and we go here. Yeah, this will be our floor. Maybe we'll change it and go for some wood. I don't know. For now this is marble, but I'm not sure yet. So we go for the wardrobe. This whole thing, I'll keep this here. The point is that I haven't seen any reference, and this means that I have to do it right now while I'm streaming. This is not professional, but I was sleepy yesterday. Wardrobe. I'll go minimal wardrobe for my search. Minimal wardrobe furniture, not the wardrobe things you have inside, not your clothes. I wanted to have some drawers too. Okay, I like this one here. Okay, it seems that these are the same thing. I'm adding the loops again. We're gonna go isometric and we add them here and here at the back and at the bottom. This is ready to go mesh smooth, but I want to have also some drawers, so I'm deleting one of them and I'm duplicating just a copy of it. I think it was 1 meter wide, so no, not 1 centimeter, 1 meter. That means 100 centimeters. No, it was 50. It was 50. Okay, and we go here and grab that and we place it here like this. And we duplicate that. Maybe we could... Okay, let's duplicate that maybe to the array, using the array modifier. 3 of these. Preview them, and this will be instances. Mm, 15 centimeters. No, 12. Okay. They are overlapping, so I'm getting these and putting them a little lower. It doesn't have to be precise, but the better at this point is good. And I'm duplicating these two as a copy this time. And I am aligning it to this one just in the Z axis, and go maximum and maximum. And for the edit poly, we grab that and move it to the bottom, and it's fine here. Just 3 shelves, 3 drawers. I think that's the name. Drawer. Yes, it's the drawer. And now we're gonna add the handles. I'm adding a box. It should be like this, but 20 centimeters, maybe it's a lot. $15 is nice. $1.5 and 4. Maybe like this. Maybe like this, or maybe same here too. We copy it and rotate it 90 degrees, and the length should be 5. Of course, this should be smaller, maybe 2, maybe 3. Yeah, it's cool like that. And we duplicate it as an instance for now. We edit the poly and add the loops we want. Just where you see where this is heading. we're gonna go for some mesh smooth. And this is it. They are the same. I group them and I place them to the middle of that. Maybe they are too close to one another. Anyway, we don't mind. We add the loops here too. Here and here. And this is it. And we mesh smooth that too. And we attach that to the other group here. And this is the handle. We're placing it again at the 7 centimeter height. Maybe we could go lower, but doesn't really matter right now. We'll place it around here. Oh, maybe here, so that it's close to the other one. Instance that and move it to the center of the wardrobe openings. Then we duplicate. Maybe I are too close, I don't know. We lock that selection. Wait, no, we unlock it. We duplicate it as an instance. And we lock the selection and we move it. We're moving it from this point to this point. And they are better right now. And we duplicate that again as an instance, yes, and we rotate it 90 degrees. And we're moving it. Wait, I have a message. Oh, okay. And we're moving it in the middle of that and in the middle of that. And we have the horizontal handles. We duplicate it again here as an instance and again as an instance. And it's good. And again. Okay, maybe the problem here is that this is too massive. And that means that we'll have to duplicate this as a copy and edit the whole thing at 2 centimeters minus, in the x-axis, 2 centimeters, just to have the doors for it. And yeah, this was too massive. I have to see my cage. I don't need these, that's for sure. I don't need these. I don't need these. Oh, neither these nor these. And I'm grabbing the vertices and I'm placing them here. And maybe, okay, keep it like that, because some doors get inside. I think this is better. Maybe add another loop here. Maybe add another loop here to make it sharper. I think it's good. The same should apply for this one too. So we grab that, copy it and paste instance it here. And below that we are adding another. Yes, this is okay. And of course we grab the whole thing and we group it. and we unhide it all. So here, this is it. And now we gotta have to go for the desk maybe, or the bedside table. Let's search for a bedside table on the internet. Bedside table. And we have nothing saved, okay? I don't care. This could be wall mounted. I like it wall mounted. But I think I need something more circular. Because the whole scene is too... it has many angles. I mean, it's really sharp. I want something more circular. And yeah, give me some time. Circle. Let's add the circle to the search. I don't think I like anything of these. Or maybe the art should be circle, but we already have something that is circle on the wall. And I don't think I like more circles on the wall. I want them distributed in the whole scene. I don't like these bedside tables. I don't think I like anything of these. But I guess this is what's available on the market, so we're gonna have to use something of these. Let's say we keep that. Let's say I'm not sure I'm keeping it, but for now I think it's the best option. Yes, I think. Let's grab it. And it seems that this this thing here, okay, it's higher. Okay, now we are editing that, or maybe add the height segments here. Maybe 3 to use this level and this level. And we don't need this. We are adding a cylinder. It's an initial shape. We're not gonna keep it like this. The radius should be no 15. It's a certain one. Even more, maybe 20. Yeah, 20 would be better, and the height should be 2 centimeters. Let's say 2. Let's say 2. And we're going here. I'm moving it lower around here. No, it has to be 1.5. And grabbing it again and putting it here. And we duplicate it as a copy because the next one would be lower. It has to be here and also here. These are the same. So we have them here, and we now have to add a pipe that connects them. I'll go top, maybe, or here. I'm going to add a shape, a line, just using these snaps here so that I can make my life easier. And while I'm here, I'm enabling rendering and viewport. Maybe this is a little too much, maybe 2 centimeters is better. And I'm grabbing that and putting it here. But as I can see here, this has to be a little higher. I'll go for 2 centimeters higher. Maybe 3. Let's keep it like that for now. And we're gonna have to make another shape. I don't think I need this anymore. I'm hiding it. We're gonna need to make another shape. Copy that. Yeah, maybe this is a little fat. It's too big for my idea. I need it lighter. And this one too, 1.5. 1.5. And after that, we grab this and we place it here and 2 centimeters again higher. And the point is that, as I can see here, okay, it has to be placed, let's say here and here. Let's say it's not ready yet. Maybe this should be wider. No, it has to be to the next one. It has to be here and here, so that we have more balance to the object. Yeah, I prefer that. I think it's in the triangle. Yeah, they create a triangle. And same distances with same dimensions here. And right now we can connect them maybe with another element. Let's duplicate that as a copy and place it in the middle, and we're gonna go rectangular on a length that connects them. I don't actually care for the actual length because this will be hidden inside of them. So right now the height, the length is okay like that. This has to be around here. Yeah, this is fine. 0.5, 33, 34 maybe, 34. Yes, and the height depends on the line. Let's say we have it here, or maybe here. Oh, wait, I gotta see the reference image. It's a little more than this dimension here. Let's keep it like this. Okay, maybe we are fine. What do you think? I don't know. I'm not sure yet. So right now maybe Wait, I have to check again the reference image. It's more slim. Maybe we have it a little too much, but let's keep it like that. Let's keep it like that. It's fine. But the point is that I want to change the radius. I think it couldn't work like this. Maybe 19 centimeter. 19.5 maybe. Seems better. Yes, this seems better. And this is 19.5 again. And now, of course, the time has come for some mesh smoothing. And I'm adding the loops, horizontal ones, and the ones for here. Grab the top and the bottom of the surface of the geometry, and inset just tiny little bit, even smaller. Yeah, like this would be fine. And we go mesh smooth. You see, it's like this, and it's really low poly. Still, it's low poly. So I'm gonna add more iterations, and this happened for the top one too. So this would be okay. Maybe yes, go 19.75. Yes, 19.75. At least I want to touch it. 19.17, 19.65. Yes, I just want to touch it here so that it could actually happen to reality. And 19.65, so we do the same thing here, 0.65, because the mesh smooth put that closer to the center of the element. And we add the edit poly here again. We add the loops horizontal and top and bottom. We're insetting. Go closer so that you can see what you're actually doing. Yeah, these two are similar, so I keep it like this. Close that and mesh smooth again as 2. So here I don't mind about this one. Okay, we could do the mesh smooth too. I'm grabbing these. Now I have selected only the edges, the cap elements, let's say, the cap surfaces. And I will do another thing. I'm grabbing these all lines, the ring here, and I'm just chamfering it. Maybe like this will be nice. I'm avoiding the mesh smooth. So here here we have to do just mesh smooths to this one. We're editing the poly, and we're grabbing the top and the bottom, and we're insetting just tiny inset, and we're adding the loops here and here. We close that and we mesh smooth, and we do the same thing for the longer pipe here, like that. And we get this and this, and we go inset, small inset, and it's fine. and we mesh smooth, and it's ready. And grab the whole thing and we group it and unhide the scene. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Let's see. Cameras. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. I think it's fine. Maybe we could rotate that just like this, so that we can see more of the of the item here, of the bedside table. But okay, maybe like this. I don't want it to be in the middle. It doesn't seem correct on the camera. Yeah, it's fine. That's fine. So here we have this ready. All these are okay. This is fine. Let's freeze them so that we know what we need to, what's remaining to do. Camera 2. This is ready. All these are fine. The wall too, of course. So yeah, I think it's time for the pouffe, maybe. Or the desk. Let's go for something. Hello, Brawl Dogs, and thank you for promoting. Well, people, you should know that when you follow, you can get more notifications and see more things like that in the future. And thanks for supporting. And always drop a purple heart in this channel, because I like purple. It's my favorite color for the last years. Κάτσε κάνε ρε μου κοροδεύεις. And always get some time to rest and drink some water, because water is good for your health. We support water. Και διαφήμιση, So now we have to go for the pouffe. Again, I haven't searched for that. So we are going... Wait, I have to save this to another pin board. I'm gonna name it bedroom. Oh, bedroom. Our bedroom. And for now, καλημέρα σε Ντόνια. Βασικά καλησπέρα σας. For now, we're going to go for some poufing. The point is that this is a dressing table here, so the pouffe has to be quite solid, because you have to sit on it and do your makeup. So καλησπέρα. So to do your makeup, you have to be a little stable. I'm doing something really, really simple. Not because I'm bored, I'm not bored, but because these seem really cute here. And I like them. So yeah, since we're here, we're going to do the cylinder again. We're going to the primitives here. We're going for the cylinder. Snap that. It will be 20 centimeters will be better, I think. It seems more elegant and less chubby. Yeah, it will be around here. Maybe we could do it even more tiny. This has to be frozen too. Maybe we could do it even tinier, even more elegant, like 18. Yeah, I think it seems better. So we divide it, let's say two divisions, and we add an edit poly and grab that, and we're going to go 15 is too much. 5 centimeters lower. I don't know if I'm ready for that. Yeah, go. I'll go 20. Maybe it's too much. But I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I'll keep it like that for now. And in this edit poly, I'm grabbing this top. This will be the pillow where we are sitting, so it has to be softer. So I'm detaching it here, like this, and I don't need this here. And also we can change it. We can make it a bit smaller, like just a little smaller, just a tiny little bit. And we close that and just add a mesh smooth. And grabbing this, adding an edit poly, and you know here it's not it's not a solid object, so we need to use the cap modifier here. Just cap it. Wait, I need to isolate it. I can see a thing. Yeah, we need to cap it, so we have the whole thing here. And for now, I am adding an edge here and an edge here. And of course, we are adding here the insets. Wait, no, not here actually, just the bottom part, because I want to do something different at the top. At the top, we're going to inset a lot more like this, because we need to make it a bit more fluffier. I think this would seem better like this. And after that, we can go for the mesh, for the other edge loop here, and then we're gonna mesh smooth. Maybe this time we could actually do a seam. So to do that, I'm adding here an edit poly, and I'm grabbing this, and I'm getting the edge, the edge of the geometry that's dividing the two angles, the angle that goes to here and the angle that's vertical. The angle that comes from the line that's that goes up here and the line that's vertical, and I inset, no, I extrude, actually intrude. You see, I'm grabbing it and putting it inside, and it seems like a seam, at least to me. And maybe this should be much higher. Maybe like this. No, maybe like this. Okay. Maybe the mesh smooth is not helping. I could have more of that. I don't like the thing that goes here. It makes it, not because I don't like it, because it makes the element, the geometry weird, and that's because we have this line here. We could make it a bit higher, like this. Yeah, it's more realistic this way, like this maybe. And maybe we would add another one here, another loop, and maybe here too, and grab the center and do the curve gradually. This always helps to have more control on your object. You see this? It makes it more gradual. This one should be lower. And the center should be higher and smaller. No, it should be again higher. I think that's better. That's more smooth. Maybe, oh, maybe here, maybe this is too sharp. Goes. We could add another one. Just one loop is not gonna do much of a distraction to the vertices of the whole scene. That's what I think. Yeah, it's better. And we'll keep it like this. And let's see the reference. It always helps when you see the reference. Huh. Okay, maybe we are fine for now. And we're grabbing this and grouping it and unhiding it all. And okay, this will be it. Camera 2, F4. I think it's fine. Minimal, fine. Okay, I'm freezing it. So here we could do. We have done the pouffe, and we have to do. Today we have to finish the chair of the PC, and yeah, the actual PC. I don't think a room could be like this with a desk. So maybe we could combine them into one element, because here we will have the computer. Maybe here we could have these, or here, to have, just because when you are here in a room and you get inside from this door, it would be much more practical if you had your shelves in this line, to have the whole wall here as a desk wall, let's say. No, I'm not doing this project for school, actually. This is a side project of my own. Do you like it? Um, I'm not in school anymore. So I think, guys, I'm grabbing these things here and I'm putting them to this wall, actually. And I'm putting them here. I'm locking the selection and grabbing that and aligning it. I have a new follower. Thank you, free hugs for all. I want a free hug. Can I have it? And why is it? Where is it? Oh, thank you for following. Really glad you're here. So since we're here, yes, we should have it. I think yes, that this seems more normal. Having things here. What do you think? I think it's more. It has more logic in it, and maybe we could select these and make the shells bigger. Not much, just in the middle of these two elements. Uh, yeah, the final product. I hope that it will be really soon. I'm not saying when, because when we say big words, they never happen. But I hope the result will be here soon and will be uploaded also on ArtStation and on Instagram and all these social things, which you might want to follow if you want to see more of that. And I really appreciate all of you that all of you are here now. Trust me on that. Let's say we keep it like this. Maybe I would like to delete this middle one and make the desk come to here. I don't know if I like it, but you know, no desk happens to be like this. Okay, I don't like this. It seems weird. Let's keep it like this for now. Again, let's see the camera. The camera always says the truth because you see all the elements together and you can see what disturbs your eye. What do you guys think? Should I keep it like this? The shelves here and the desk till here, or the desk till the edge, till the end of the wall? I think if I do it till the end of the wall, let's say we are here and I'm doing it to here. It's more correctly architecturally speaking, but it will seem like a workplace. I mean, come on, I don't want that in my chat. That. I don't like that. It seems like you are a person who works with needles and stuff. I don't know if that's what we would like here, but it's more correctly. It's more correct architecturally speaking. I'll keep it like that. And I'll remove these two or make them. Yeah. I think I should remove these bottom two and make them not shelves but drawers. What do you think? Make them drawers. We can delete them. And this shelf too. Oh no, I deleted the group. Group them and maybe keep it like this. And at the bottom of that, we could have these drawers. You can have your books. Square for the PC. But the PC will be here. And these shelves could have books and maybe Funko Pops. I don't know. I mean, it's like a gaming room, a gaming cage, I would say. And I'm keeping it like this for now. Yeah, I think it's more correct. More correct. And I think it's more practical. If I lived in this room, I would prefer it like this. So... okay, we have to change this. Wait. And if we have it like this, we can say that we don't need legs to support it. We could say that it actually is hang on the wall. The monster fridge. What's the monster fridge? Does anybody know here? I don't know it, so please don't judge. I need the lines. I need to see the lines. And of course, again, we have to go isometric view. And we're gonna have to see the lines, okay? I like this. And here. And here. I think this is ready for the mesh smooth. And it needs more. It's too smooth here. And I'm adding more and more here. And here and here. And close that. And we're gonna hide them all. Okay, this is fine. But this is a camera view. Usually FPS streamers are sponsored by Monster Energy drink and have that fridge full of monsters. Okay, maybe, yeah, I could be that streamer. I haven't I would like though to be sponsored by a company that makes orange juice. I would certainly promote. I would put oranges to half of this desk. Yeah, please, orange juice companies. I would appreciate it if you sponsored me with oranges. So here, yeah, we have to correct the camera. This is okay. This camera has this thing here. Thank you. Thank you, Sidonia, for following. Really. I'll post something I'm gonna prepare for eating later, because I would prepare something with bananas and apples and chocolate and some peanut butter. Yeah, purple hearts. I like purple hearts. Let's drop one here. And we are trying to concentrate, okay, and correct the camera. Since we're here, we are selecting the camera here so that we can reveal these values here that we want to change. And this happens because we have the clipping. So if we go like this, you know what, we're going to hide them in this view. this because I like this angle. It presents the whole room quite good, quite well. I think when we render this scene, we will hide. When we render this camera, we will hide. We will just hide the shelves. Yes, because also the table here, the desk here, uh, gives a good analogy in wood and other elements in the scene. Yes, I think we're gonna go like this. Cancel. And yeah, now we have to add the bottom part of the desk. And we have two more things remaining after that. I'm isolating them. Oh no, I had to keep the bottom. Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Let's save the scene, of course. And always drink your water. Oh, okay. Also, I could be sponsored by a water company, water bottle company, because we have to drink your water. We have to drink our water. Hide the label. You're drinking tea. I should be drinking tea as well, but I was bored to clean my thing, my pot. How is it called? The thing that you use to heat the water. Apple tea with honey instead of sugar. Apple tea with honey. Is it a thing? How is it called? Φακελάκι που λέμε. Πώς το λένε αυτό στα αγγλικά? Translate Google. I have to find that. Sacket. A bag of tea. Bag. Yeah, bag. Bag. Of course it would be bag. Tea bag. See? That's proficient user. Bag. Tea bag. Okay, guys. I'm not the perfect person here to speak English. Okay, don't judge. I'm here for the 3D modeling, okay? And speaking of that, guess what we have to do here? Some 3D modeling. I'm duplicating it and I'm removing it from this group. Teabag is FPS expression. Teabag. Teabag. Same thing. It's a disrespect move over your dead opponent. I didn't know that. I will spam it tonight to my friends. And they will make fun of me, but okay. I need to focus. Thank you, Sedonia. Thank you. Thank you. Sometime in the past, there was a person in a game. He was called Thank you. I think somehow. Thank you. Κάπως. Something like that. They were called something like that. Thank you. It was funny. At least I found it funny. I don't need these. I'm deleting them, and I need to place that at the bottom to minimum. Okay, so this, if I make this longer, I'll go top and align it. Maybe this was 60. Yes, this seems 60. I'm aligning it to this one, just to the X, to the X axis, and width it's 60. No, width is 55. Yes, the width is 65. I'm in your house. What's that? I'm in your house. Ah! Okay, maybe I got it, maybe I didn't. I'm not sure. But okay. And guys, since we are doing a desk here, desk minimal, I'm gonna check here. I wanted to have some drawers at the bottom, but all these desks I'm finding here have no drawers. But I want the drawers because it's a desk. You have to have things stored there. I don't know what we can add here. Let's be creative. It always helps being creative. So let's go like that. Let's think our own. And the height, I would prefer to have it like 60 so that we can use this also as a space to add things. Maybe some more things that we're using more usually. And we're adding an edit poly here, and I'm gonna inset it. Oh, like 2 centimeters will be fine, even less, but 1.5 will be better. And we could extrude that inside. So here will be the desk, the drawer place. And I'm grabbing these. I'm gonna use a ring, this thing here, and I'm dividing it to 3. So I'm connecting this to 3 so that I can have 3 drawers. I'm closing it, this, and I'm adding oh god, I'm sleepy. I'm grabbing this and from here to here and to here, and this has to have a width, so let's say it's 1.5. It doesn't really matter, it just matters to align it to this spot here. Lock the selection, we have snap on, and we align it, and we duplicate that at the top, at the bottom, and at the bottom as instances. Okay, and at the bottom too, as instance here too. No, I didn't sleep well. The problem is that I overdid it yesterday, and I slept a lot, but I'm a little tired these days. Maybe today I'm gonna sleep earlier because tomorrow we're gonna have to add some assets here. Yeah, and this will need time and effort. So here we are adding loops. Press F3 to go to wireframe and add them here too, and here. Brawl dogs, you still there? Why are you talking to us? And we're going here for some mesh smooth. And yeah, it's a little not sharp, so that means that we have to add more loops to make it more clear and make it react better to the light. This is okay. I think I would like to avoid using handles, but I don't know. Maybe we could use this element as a different color. Maybe we could use white, a white color here. And this set of drawers I'm doing right now reminds me of the time when I used to do that for a gaming company I worked for, and they had asked me sometimes to do the desks, and this reminds me that time. So here we are done with that, and with that again this thing, so we're adding more. Yeah, seems better. Yeah, we could use that as white here, and this as a brown that could be a little closer to white, a light brown. White here, white these shelves, and brown. Yeah, we could do that. And maybe we could have that. Wait, I'm thinking about it at the moment. Maybe we could have that inside, make it like a box. I'm not sure yet, but it certainly needs a handle, and maybe we could put them around here, maybe. What was it? 2. Let's go 2 centimeters. What happened here? So here, no, I'm not left-handed, I'm right-handed. We said about 2 centimeters. Yes, 2 is fine. Look, guys, the point of this stream was to be 2 hours long, but as you can see right now, we are not done yet, so this prologue means that I have to go away for 1 minute, just 1 minute, because I have something really important, and I am coming right back, okay? See you soon. 1 minute, 1 minute. Not even 1 minute. I'm getting faster at this. Wait, Marius just sent me something. So here, we were checking this. Yes, I was. Well, I'm adding the pipe here, the handle. I'm gonna add a handle. So for that reason, I'm going here and adding a line. And from here to here. Of course, we're not gonna keep it like that because it's too long. I have to reduce that. Yeah, 5 centimeters less from here, and here is better, I believe. To this one and closer here. And now, it has to be smaller. Of course, it has to be smaller, like this. I'm gonna go top view to check if it's okay. I'm aligning it here, and it's not aligned to itself. I think now it is. Yeah, there's no line here. Yeah, there's no stepping here, no escalating, so I think this is correct. And I'm duplicating that as a copy, of course, and moving this around here to hide it inside. And it's going to be duplicate that, doesn't matter at all. Group it and move it to the middle of the handle, and grab that and group it. And this is the handle. Maybe it's small. Maybe we need to make them deeper here. Yeah, around here will be nice. And right now we need to duplicate that to the bottom, to the other two shelves. Wait, we didn't do the mesh smooth yet, but wait, I'm doing it. Snapping, locking the selection, okay, and moving it from here to the z-axis, from here to here, and duplicate it again, and lock the selection again, and duplicate it from here to here, and this is okay. Yeah, this seems okay. Maybe you could have that. Maybe we could have it smaller. I don't know. Maybe it seems a bit too long, but okay. When you are away from it, and this will be metal and this will be wood, I think this will create a shiny effect on the whole element and will make it look more bright and more elegant. You see, something like that. I don't know how to say it, but I think this will add something to the furniture. So let's keep it like this, and if we don't like it in the render, we'll change it. Anyway, we are not a company who creates furniture, so this is just a suggestion. We mesh with it. This inside won't be that visible, but okay, let's do the thing. Mesh smooth, and it's fine. It did it to the other ones too. Yes. And we close that. We close the group, and now I think this thing is ready. I'll group them all together because this is the desk area, and I'm hiding it. I'm unhiding it all. So I'm freezing these two, and maybe not freeze that already, because here I saw something that I didn't like. Yes, I need more of them. Okay, maybe now we are readier.